Hi there, how are you? Today's recipe is green peas kofta curry. It's not only delicious but looks stunning too. You'll be able to make this dish with regular ingredients from your pantry. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Boil the raw bananas with a pinch of turmeric and grate them. I have some boiled and grated potato in a bowl and I'll add in the grated raw banana. Season it with salt, coriander powder, garam masala powder and some chaat masala. Add in some breadcrumbs for the binding and just combine everything together. Keep this aside. I am using frozen peas for this recipe. Just soak them in water to defrost them. To make the pea filling, heat some oil in a pan and temper it with some coriander seeds and fennel seeds. Once they release their aroma, add in some grated ginger and green chilies according to your taste. Add in the drained peas. Season with salt. Add in some coriander powder, a bit of chaat masala. Add in about a tablespoon of besan. Cook this on low heat. The gram flour will not only add a flavor but also act as a binder. The gram flour smells cooked. Add in a bit of garam masala and just mash up the peas slightly. And that's done. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Before you start making the koftas, make sure that the pea mixture has cooled down completely. I am also using some gram flour to coat the koftas. Make small balls with the pea filling and keep them aside. Make small balls and use a dusting of the gram flour to flatten the potato and banana ball slightly. Place the pea filling and just cover it completely with the potato banana mixture. Seal to close. And roll the ball in the gram flour, and that's one done. Keep it aside and move on to the next one. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Roll it in the gram flour. Similarly, just make the rest of them. Deep fry the koftas in hot oil. You could serve the kofta balls as a party snack with some chutney. Take them out and drain on absorbent paper and fry the rest of them. For the gravy, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, chaat masala, kitchen king powder and red chili powder. Fresh tomato paste, grated ginger, green chili, bay leaf, stick of cinnamon and some coriander seeds. besan or gram flour. For the gravy, heat some oil in a pan and temper it with the bay leaf, stick of cinnamon and coriander seeds. Add in the grated ginger. Keep the heat on absolute low. Add in all the dry spices. Mix it. Add in a bit of water. And cook till the oil starts separating. Add in a tablespoon of the gram flour or besan. Cook this till the raw smell of the gram flour goes away. Add in the tomato paste. Mix it well. I'll just add in a little bit of oil. Cook this for a minute. The oil has started separating once again. So I'll just add in some water. About a cup. Mix well and bring it to the boil. Add in a green chili. You may add it slit and some more water. The koftas will need a lot of water to soak in. So adjust the water accordingly. Bring that to a roaring boil. Season with salt. And that's ready for the koftas. Add in the kofta balls, as many as you want. You could keep the rest in an airtight box in the fridge to be served up later. Just let them boil for a minute. That's done. So turn off the heat. And remember to put the balls in the curry only before you are serving. Serve the kofta curry hot with rice or any bread and enjoy.